Hello everyone, welcome to AI for All, ChatGPT for everything. Today I want to share a quick story of how I used ChatGPT to help my 7-year-old prepare a school speech. The topic was about me. As a parent, I wanted to help my child feel confident on stage. But writing a speech for a young kid, in a simple and fun way, is not that easy. That's when I thought, let's ask ChatGPT. I gave it a simple prompt. Give me a 1-minute speech on the topic, about me, for a 7-year-old. And boom, it gave a perfect template. Let me show you the demo. I have entered the prompt, give me a 1-minute speech on the topic, about me, for a 7-year-old. And here's a simple and fun 1-minute, about me, speech suitable for a 7-year-old. Please read it. It's so simple for a 7-year kid to read and understand. I just edited the speech by adding my kid's real name, favorite subject, hobbies, and even his love for Mr. Beast. It took 5 minutes. Simple, quick, and very effective. My kid practiced and confidently delivered the speech in class. The best part, he enjoyed it, because it felt like his story. ChatGPT saved me time and helped my child shine. If you're a parent or teacher, try it out. Like, share, and subscribe for more real AI use cases for daily life.